Children, good morning. This is your computer class by Arifa ma'am for class 2nd, chapter 1, and the topic is computer and electronic device. Yesterday I taught you features of computer, differences between a computer and a human being, and the main parts of the computer. Today I will teach you advantages of computer and disadvantages of a computer. So let's begin now. Computer has made a very vital impact on society. It has changed the way of life. The use of computer technology has affected every field of life. People are using computers to perform different tasks quickly and easily in various fields. The use of computers make different tasks easier. It also saves time and effort and reduces the overall cost to complete a particular task. Nowadays, the role of computer is very important in our day-to-day life, and it has changed the way of life. Computers are not only for personal purpose, that is mostly used in other field. We can make our work easy with the help of computer, and it saves our time and energy. Many organizations are using computers for keeping the records of their customers. Banks are using computers for maintaining accounts and managing financial transactions. The banks are also providing the facility of online banking. People are using computers for paying their bills, managing their home budgets, or simply taking a break and watching a movie, listening to songs, or playing computer games. Online services like Skype or social media websites are used for communication and information sharing purpose. So the children, bank is also using computer for maintaining accounts and managing financial transaction. Computers are providing facilities online banking. Customers can check their account balance from using the internet, and you also can watch movies, listen to songs, or play games, and you can get any information easily by using computers. The major advantages of using computers are given below. So kids, computer, number 1 is computer is a very fast device. Number 2, computer reduce the cost of all data related operations. Number 3 is it is capable of performing calculations on very large amount of data. Number 4 is it can store large amount of data. And number 5 and last, we can also use computers for drawing, presentations, playing games, etc. Kids, we already discussed this topics yesterday, so we will skip this topic and let's move on the next topic, that is disadvantages of computer. So number 1 is a computer cannot take any decision on its own. It is fully dependent on human instruction. As you know, computer does not any work. It is depend only on human being. When we give instructions to the computer, then it will work. Number 2, it causes harm to health and environment. Number 3, there is always risk of virus attack. And number 4, it reduces the need of manual work and increases unemployment in society. People today are facing unemployment problems causes of computer, and the improper and prolonged use of computer can result in injuries or disorders of hands, wrist, elbows, eyes, neck and back. And its use for a longer of time causes back and eye pain, etc. Some people use computer for negative activities. They hack the credit card numbers of others and misuse them, or they can steal important data from big organization. So that's all for today's class, and your work is answer the following questions. Write these question answers in your computer notebook and read it